Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paige and today I am starting my move-in vlogs and I have a lot to tell you guys, so I'm gonna sit you down really quick. I currently live in New York City. I live on the Upper East Side and I'm moving to the Upper West Side. I am actually from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, so in the summer I go back and forth a lot because I want to see my family and stuff. Actually, yesterday afternoon I came back to New York and I started packing up some things. I need to get more boxes, and I also already had some things packed from last time I was in New York, which was like 3 weeks ago. But I need to be out of my apartment tomorrow. My dad is coming up tomorrow and he's going to help me move out. I think I'm going to start moving out around 10 a.m. but I need to pack up my whole entire life here. Some people were asking me some questions, so I'm going to answer them really quick. If you guys were asking me why I don't move in with my friends, like my friend group, you know, Michael, Jenny, Tori, Emma, and that is because originally last year, whenever I was living in the dorms, I was supposed to move in with these two girls, and then like they kind of just stopped talking to me. That's why like I didn't have the plan to move in with like my other friends, you know, like Michael and everyone before, and they like kind of already established everything, and there's 5 of us. Yeah, 5. It's so hard to find apartments in New York with more than like 3 bedrooms. So they actually moved in all together. They have like no living room and just divided a big living room and house. That's why all 4 of them can live together. There's no way like I could live with them. Also, they signed a 2-year lease. My current roommate, Josie, is the girl I live with right now. People always ask why she's not in my vlogs and stuff, and we get along. We just have very different schedules. Like whenever I'm at school, she's home, and she also has 2 jobs, so she works a lot. And yeah, we get along. There's nothing, you know, there's no beef. If you're new to my channel, you don't know this, but I have a 1-bedroom flex wall. Like this is a 1-bedroom apartment, and in the living room we just put up a flex wall, which is right there. You can see I just want a real bedroom, and this place is a lot of money, so I don't think it's worth living here anymore, you know. So yeah, I am moving in with my YouTube friend Christina. I have 1 empty box left, and I'm going to pack that up and then figure out how many more boxes I need to buy and then go to Home Depot. So I'm gonna pack up this last box right now. I'll show you guys what I did. Oh, also I dyed my hair dark brown. It kind of looks black, and I told the girl I didn't want black hair, and it looks black. So yeah, I kind of just have black hair right now. I don't really like it this dark, but I know it will fade, so it's okay. This is everything I have already packed. This is not mine. Josie has a friend helping her move out right now. She's actually moving out. Her room is completely empty. This is crazy. So she's all moved out, and her friend is helping her, so that's his stuff right here. But everything else right here is all mine. This is my room. It doesn't look that empty, but the bookshelves look pretty empty. I need to clean them. They're pretty gross. Packed up my shoes. I'll insert that clip right here. And we're going to put all my shoes in here. This is just a big bag. All of these shoes over here because I feel like I don't need a box for those. So I'm gonna do that right now. So right now I am going to pack up stuff in my kitchen. I'm going to see how much is going to fit, so I know how many more boxes I need to buy. Okay, this is the best I can do. I'm going to start off with this box, like I said 300 times. Okay, she has stuff in here, so I'm not sure what is hers, but I'm going to start off with this stuff because it's bigger and put it in this box. I don't really remember, but I think this is all mine. I don't really remember though. This is all the food I have, and this is how far this box is filled. I think I'll just fit this all in here, and then this is all Josie's. I'm pretty sure this is all Josie's, and then this stuff is mine. This is hers. This is all empty, and this bottom half is mine. This is all mine. Nothing of mine is in there, and then this is all mine, but this is all like silverware and stuff. And I have a toaster, a blender. This is hers. That is mine. So I think I'm gonna need another box yeah, I'm gonna need at least another box. I don't know if I should get 2 though. I filled this all up, and all I have to pack left from the kitchen is everything over here. I just need like 1 more medium box for this stuff, and then that's like everything in the kitchen. Most of this, I think all of this is hers. I think this is all hers except for these Egos. These are mine. And then that's like all over the kitchen. This mat is mine. And here, this is technically my closet. This is everything else I need to pack, but my dad is bringing me 2 suitcases, and I'm going to put all my clothes in there. This is all the skincare stuff I have to pack. Like, these 2 bottom ones are mine and these are hers. And then this is all empty. Yeah, that's kind of gross. Oh, but something of hers is in there. And then these are mine, and I just need to put this. So that can definitely all fit in my Louis Vuitton box. Right now I'm going to run to Home Depot and get a couple more boxes. I think I just need 3, so that's what I'm gonna go with. I don't want to overbuy boxes. I also need duct tape because I got Scotch tape. Where is it? I don't know where it's at, but do not buy Scotch tape. Tape keeps coming off of my boxes, so I need to get duct tape instead. But I'm going to do that right now, and Josie's friend is actually going to pick me up because he has a car, which is really sweet. So yeah, I just got back. I got 3 boxes. They only had extra large boxes, and then this like little one. And then I just got duct tape, and then I got these 2 little clear containers to put all my like skincare in, because I don't want to like just throw a bunch of containers in a box. Literally all of Home Depot was sold out. That's why I got extra large boxes, because everything else was completely gone. Like, it's so crazy. I actually packed up another box. So right here I packed this one up, and then I put some stuff in here and all of my kitchen stuff in here besides my plates. I think I'm going to put all the plates though in here right now. This box is so nice. I'm so glad I kept it. And look, I kept all the paper and everything, so this is perfect. And then I'm also going to use this towel for my plates. So I just used all the tissue paper, and now I'm using the dust bag. So I ended up using one of my jackets too, and yeah. So now just have 2 boxes left. I'm going to fill one of these up right now of my skincare products. Okay, can I grab this? Okay, so this is actually the second one, and well, like the second box, the plastic box. And I took everything out of my shower to take that down. I don't know if I should take this apart. Take that down, take these down, these pictures down. And then I talked to my dad, and he told me I have these like rolling under the bed storage things from IKEA. My dad told me just to leave the stuff in them because it's literally just all nicely packed. All my, you know, pens and pencils and markers are all packed. So, you know, just used an eyeliner. But all my boxes are packed. This is all my stuff right here. So the only thing I have left are these clothing items, this hamper, but I think I'm just going to take it like that. I'm going to put these clothing items inside a suitcase, and then all my makeup is still in here. And I don't know what to do because my dad told me to see if this is heavy or not. I literally think my groceries are heavy, so I don't know what he means by heavy. He will have to tell me tomorrow if he wants me to clean this out or not, because I don't know what his definition of heavy is. Yeah. And then I have my bedding, which I think I'll be able to fit in one of those suitcases. My dad is bringing like 2 big ones, so I think all my clothing items and my bedding will fit. I want to clean off like my desk and my nightstand, but I think I'm going to take down these pictures right now. I can't really do anything else until tomorrow when my dad comes, but right now I'm going to clean. So I'm going to clean like my mirror. This is pretty dirty. Also my nightstand. I don't know if I should clean these shelves. They're pretty gross, but I think they're just going to take them down. So yeah, I'm going to clean off my stuff right now so it's not dirty tomorrow. I just finished cleaning and I'm just so sad. Like, I love this view so much. This is like the main thing I'm going to miss, this view, because it just, I don't know, I just love it. I'm going to my friend's house tonight. It's already 7:30. Michael gets off work at 8:30 and then I'm gonna go over there and say hi because I haven't seen him in a while. So yeah, I'm just chilling until then. Michael! Tori, let's just look.
I know you had a dub knowledge.